When you're a teacher, you yourself have to be inspired by the content. If you don't feel like it's something to be really excited about and something that gets you thinking and curious, then I don't think you can induce that in your students. My teaching began, I think when I was still a student is when I started really helping people learn. And, a couple of students who I used to teach math, and then word spread from there. And after year, I got more and more students. So, yeah, I think for like 6 years now, I've been teaching math, physics, computer science, and I think in one case, even English. I think I'd always had this crazy dream of being an astronaut because I definitely want to go to space someday before I can't. Well, I think, so much is left behind when teachers teach in their traditional school classrooms. For example, they kind of teach you about pi, but they never really tell you where pi came from. What is this constant that we call pi? Why is it important? Why do we use it? So they leave a lot behind. So in my classes, I tend to kind of start off with that. Inside a bit of, inquisitiveness in the student into thinking, okay, how can this be used, or what is this? So I think that's something that students really benefit from. It's a new, it kind of makes them think in a different way of what all these concepts mean and how it's used. I'm Pratham and come learn with me at Openhouse.